Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use FlashLoop AI. FlashLoop AI is an advanced AI-powered video generator that helps you create professional-looking videos quickly. It's designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses who want to produce social media videos, promotional content, or educational clips without editing skills. The platform uses artificial intelligence to handle video creation, audio enhancement, and editing, making it ideal for saving time while keeping quality high. Now click on the Features section and explore its main tools like AI video creation, smart editing, perfect audio, and social ready options. Then click on Get Started. Next, click on Launch Web Version to open the main platform. Now click on Get Started again. Here, enter your email address, then type your password and confirm it. After that, click on Create Account. Now enter your first and last name and click on Continue. Here, you can choose from options like AI video creation, smart editing, perfect audio, or social ready, then click on Continue. Next, select what type of content you want to create, such as viral social media videos, and click on Continue. Now click on Create Video. Here, you'll see the available plans, the weekly plan at $24.99 and the monthly plan at $49.99. FlashLoop AI offers a fast and easy way to make professional videos with minimal effort, making it a great tool for creators who want quality results without spending hours on editing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.